Yo, what's good, homies at home? It's your boy RC here. You're ready to get into this video by Simon's Cats. Now, this popped up in my recommended section, so I was like, hey, let me go ahead and check this out and see what it's about. This is number 3 on trending as of 12:20 a.m. on May 28th, 2018. And how's it number 3 on trending, first of all, but only has 248,000 views? YouTube logic now. How is that number 3 on trending? But hopefully y'all enjoy the video. Remember, smash that like button, leave a comment, subscribe, share. Suggest me the type of video you want to see in the comment section down below. Be sure to stay active on the channel. Donate to the channel if you want. Like I said, this popped up in my recommended section, so I'm gonna just go ahead and take a look at it. I don't know what it's about. Let's go ahead and hop into it right now. This video is called Crow, by the way. I don't know if I said that, but it's called Crow. Let's see. This looks like it's for children. A video for children. Why would this pop up in my recommendeds? Bruh. Oh my goodness. Animals are so... I would be pissed if I was that cat, to be honest with you. I'm like, what the hell are you pecking at my head for? Like, bro, animals are so smart. That's what I love about them. Like, I would be pissed as hell if I was that cat, though. But animals are just so smart like that. That's what I love about them. Some are there to annoy, some are there to irritate, some are just there for you to cuddle, pet, love. I don't know. I don't know. I would be so pissed. What? Why would this pop up on my recommended section? Are you serious? What the hell, bro? If I was that cat, I would just lunge for him as quick as I can and just rip him to shreds. Like, what the hell, bro? Why would this pop up in my recommended section? Oh my god, is YouTube really becoming this kid friendly? Like, really? Okay. No, I'm not gonna lie, this is kind of funny though. Nice, nice. I would do the same thing if I was him too. I don't think that crow's done yet. I would be pissed at the end if I was him. That ending is too much. Oh my god. I don't know why this popped up in my recommended. It's like a lot of new videos will pop up in my recommended section as of late. And some seem like they're cool, others seem like they're kind of you know, but I just can't wait to see what else YouTube has in store. I mean, it's just, I don't know. I mean, I would like to get like videos that I actually watch, like more of their content in my recommended section, or like latest videos they upload in my recommended section. But YouTube's changing. It's changing. Sometimes I don't know if it's for the better or for the worse. But I definitely enjoyed this video. Hopefully y'all did too. Smash the like button, leave a comment, subscribe, share. Suggest me the type of video you want to see in the comment section down below. Be sure to stay active on the channel. Until next time, much love. Stay cool, y'all. Peace.